Welcome to Yoga Nidra. Today we're going to start in a seated position, just for a couple of minutes. And as you find a comfortable seated position, just starting to notice where your feet and your legs are in contact with the ground or the surface that you're seated on. And if you feel like your body is pressing down into the ground a little bit more firmly in any particular place, just making some little micro adjustments now. We're going to place one hand on the belly and one hand on the forehead. Now just gently closing the eyes here. Really allowing your attention to go inward. We spend so much time focused on the outside world, taking in visual information. But just for the next few minutes, just leaving all that behind. Leaving any of the interactions, conversations, activities of the day so far to the side, and just allowing your attention to be fully on the breath and the body. Maybe even just saying to yourself, I'm bringing my energy back to me. I'm bringing my energy inward. Now just transitioning into a position lying on your back. Just allowing your weight to start to settle on the floor or on a mat. Any surface that you're comfortable lying down on. And with the arms alongside the body, the palms facing upward, and the legs straight. Now we're just going to lift the right leg off the mat, just by an inch or two. And then tightening the muscles in the leg. And then exhale, lowering the right leg back down to the ground. Inhale, lifting the left leg off the mat, tightening the muscles in the left leg. Exhale, lowering the left leg back down to the ground. Or inhale, lifting both arms off the ground. And then tightening the muscles in the arms, maybe clenching the fists or tightening the fingers. And then exhale, releasing, relaxing the arms. And we'll inhale, lifting the shoulders and the back of the head off the ground, just by an inch or two. And exhale, lowering back down to the ground. Now just tightening the face, almost like a pretend angry face. Just tightening the muscles in the face. Exhale, release and relax. And now by just extending the face, stretching the face out like a pretend surprised face, opening the mouth wide, and exhale, release. Now just allowing stillness to come through the body. Any little final movements you need to before coming into a completely still resting position. Then noticing where the air is passing by your nostrils. Noticing the quality of the air as it enters your body. Is there a coolness to it? Is there a freshness to it? And then noticing as you exhale, does the air feel a bit warmer? And then following the breath a little bit further, noticing as the chest rises and falls, and then noticing the movement of the belly with the breath. Noticing the abdomen, noticing the hips, allowing the hips to relax. Noticing the thighs, allowing the left thigh to relax, allowing the right thigh to relax. Noticing the knees, if there's any little twitching or movement, just allowing it to settle down. Not trying to change it, but just by being aware of it, noticing that it's there, and observing then what happens. Noticing the shins and the calves. Noticing where your legs are in contact with the ground. Noticing the ankles, allowing the ankles to relax. Noticing the heels. Noticing both feet. Noticing the toes. Any sensations in the toes. Do you feel any tingling there? Or do you feel the air passing over the skin? Or gentle pulsations? So just allowing both legs in their entirety to relax, from the tips of the toes through to the hips. And then noticing the sides of the body, the ribs, and perhaps just noticing an expansion through the sides of the body. As you inhale, and a contraction as you exhale. Noticing the shoulders, noticing where the shoulders are resting on the ground, and allowing them to melt right down. Any sense of holding on to anything or carrying anything. Sometimes that can present itself as tension in the shoulders. Just allowing any sense of holding on just to fall aside now, really melting down onto the surface, allowing a softness and a heaviness through the shoulders. Noticing the upper arms, any sensations, allowing the upper arms to relax. Noticing the elbows, and the forearms. The palms of the hands. And the fingers. You might like to just go through the fingers individually, allowing them to relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aware of any passing of air on the outside, any gentle pulsations on the inside. And then bringing your attention to the neck and the jaw. Allowing the jaw to just soften and relax. Noticing the mouth, the lips, the cheeks. Allowing the nose to relax. Noticing the eyes. Allowing them to just sink back into the head. Allowing the back of the eyes to relax. Allowing the back of the head to relax. Noticing the forehead, space between the eyes. Allowing the forehead to relax. Noticing the crown of the head. Allowing the crown of the head to relax. Allowing your awareness now just to shift to a sense of whole body awareness, not focusing on any particular part of the body, but just a general sense of the body as a whole. And a general sense of comfort, of well-being, of relaxation. And we'll start to just bring a little bit of movement into the fingers and the toes, perhaps moving the head from side to side. And then finally, when you're ready, just starting to blink a little bit, allowing a little bit of light to come back in as you slowly start to shift your attention back to the outside world.